Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 6, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.47. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is positioned within the center of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 14.27% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 7.69% to 37.28%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of about 43.07%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 21.22% to 295.5% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $12.25 and $39.99. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline: A very strong day for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price on Friday. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price gained 6.76% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, rising from $9.47 to $10.11. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.58%, reaching a low of $9.70 and a high of $10.24. Although the price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 5.86% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, totaling 32 million shares bought and sold for approximately $321.83 million. It's important to consider that falling volume amid rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $24.98, while the lowest was $3.82. Currently, the price is 59.53%, or $14.87, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, traded under the ticker SOUN, is making headlines as a compelling growth stock within the booming artificial intelligence sector. Recently published analyses highlight the company's significant decline and subsequent recovery potential. In the face of a near 60% drop from its December 2024 peak of $24.23, the company is being recognized for its innovative voice recognition technology, which is particularly timely given the growing consumer appetite for in-car voice commerce, expected to generate $35 billion annually for automakers. This opportunity could solidify SoundHound's position as a leader in voice AI, especially as automakers seek new revenue streams and enhanced customer engagement. Investor sentiment is notably positive, with many viewing SoundHound as an attractive buy, showcased by comparisons to other high-performing AI stocks like Palantir Technologies, which has also reaped significant gains since 2024. The recent uptick in interest from analysts highlights the stock's potential for rapid growth, suggesting that the current dip could present a buying opportunity. In the short term, increased media visibility and investor interest could drive SOUN's stock price upward, particularly if the company capitalizes on the anticipated expansion in in-car voice applications. Long-term prospects remain promising, hinging on the company's ability to innovate and secure strategic partnerships in a competitive landscape that increasingly values AI integration. Overall, SoundHound appears poised for a resurgence, positioning itself as a strong player in the evolving AI market. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Wedbush awarded SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Wedbush gave SOUN an outperform grade with a hold action. On the same date, it was also reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN an overweight grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. There are mixed signals in the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 9.08%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The stock of SoundHound AI Incorporated holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. Should there be corrections downward, some support will emerge from the lines at 10.04 and 9.77. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite a rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 29 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 79 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 65 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band suggests this stock carries a high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $0.542 between its high and low, equating to 5.58%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 6.17%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, let's consider the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -6 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.01. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $9.74. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of May, 2025, Sroka Diana conducted an insider buy of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Marcus Lawrence conducted an insider buy of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. Again, on the 23rd of May, Ball Eric R. conducted an insider buy of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Stonehawker Timothy conducted an insider sell of 44,157 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of May, 2025, Hom James Ming conducted an insider sell of 3,815 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of negative 10.152. Overall, insiders purchased 6,364,888 shares and sold 6,685,217 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.54, which reflects a decline of 5.68%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. There is currently a sell signal triggered by a pivot top observed 8 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. We have updated our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, changing it from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of June, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open lower by approximately 9.38 cents and begin trading at $10.02. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.